Today we're checking out the Treasure X Dino Gold. Watch to the end to see what happens when we dissect the dino poop. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos, new videos every week. Alright, welcome to the Bubby Boys. Today we're going to be doing another Treasure X Dino Gold, right?
Yes, Dino Dissection.
So we got to open it up and we got all kind of little cool stuff inside.
Yeah, we have 16 levels of adventure. And will we find the gold, the rare gold hip treasure?
Alright, let's see if we can find it.
So we got the manual, we got the cutting tool.
Oh, it's got the cutting tool. You got to cut it out. Some slime in there again.
Yeah, hope not.
Alright, so we've got them out the box. It looks like they've got a dino kind of trapped in a cage there.
Yeah, so we're gonna have to take his cage off.
Release him from the cage.
So we figured out how to get them.
Alright, so we're taking the mask off.
Okay.
Alright. So we got the mask off him.
So we're supposed to get the key out of his mouth. Okay, we got the key. So
Oh, pretty cool.
next we need the cutting tool and to flip him over.
Alright, so we got our key right there. Oh, you finna dissect them?
Yeah.
Oh, this is getting pretty gruesome pretty quick. There you go. Now just cut it through. Cut it like you're cutting some meat. Look. Up and down motion. There you go. Oh, God. She's cutting this dinosaur open. Wonder what he's going to find in there. His mouth is moving while you're cutting. Oh. He's hollering. Ah, stop cutting me! Stop cutting me! Doing good. You're doing great.
You waited Treasure X person, they come back out once you eat them.
It's getting intense. We need our dissecting tool. All right, so we've got him dissected. Pull out his internal parts. Oh, ugh.
Oh, I know what is inside of there.
What is it?
Slime.
You can always count on Treasure X for some good slime.
Gold slime.
Oh, it's gold gooey slime.
Oh, that's so slimy.
Oh, gosh. Oh.
If you want some slime, get a Treasure X toy.
Oh, man.
Oh my goodness! My hands are gold now.
That's pretty cool. I've never seen gold slime.
Yeah, I've never seen Treasure X. Oh my! Oh.
Alright, so let's see the guy that came out of there.
I'm trying to get the slime off my hands.
Oh.
It's so gooey.
Ari, are you slimed up too?
Yeah!
Oh no.
Oh, this slime is here.
Slime everywhere. Alright, so we got all the slime out and we've got the little figure. Let's see the guy that we got.
Got this guy.
Oh, so we got the little skull-headed guy.
Every Treasure X person has a skull head.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
So that one has a wolf skin back. So let's put his head on. God.
Alright, so what are you attaching stuff to the dinosaur?
Yeah.
And you got your little man all built. Set him up, alright, let's have a look at
The Wolfman. He says the Wolfman.
Stand him up on the table, alright, let's have a look at him. I am the Treasure X ruler.
Dad, everyone's a king or something in Treasure X.
I am the Treasure X king. He's got a little crown and gold teeth and everything.
Uncle. Yeah, I think a lot of people in Treasure X have gold teeth.
I see that.
So he rides a dinosaur, and so what's the next? Oh, so we need to take this plastic out because we need some prehistoric dinosaur poop.
Hold on, did you say prehistoric dinosaur poop?
Prehistoric dinosaur poop. Yes, they have a ceiling.
Okay, this is going left pretty quick. This is going left pretty quick, Artie. He said prehistoric dinosaur poop. So that means the poop has been sitting around for thousands of years. I may have to exit the building when you perform this part of the experiment, sir. Alright, so there's dinosaur poop in here?
Yeah.
I don't believe it. Oh! It came out in a ball! What in the world? He's got a secret compartment for it?
Alright, wants to do it now. Alright, so pull it back. Or no, pull it back.
Oh, no!
Alright, give me it.
Let's see, let me see what prehistoric dinosaur poop looks like. Oh, that's some pretty ancient old stuff, man.
So now we need to cut the poop open.
Okay, now this is getting weirder. This just got weirder. You have to cut it open?
Yeah. It's the only way.
Oh gosh, he's telling the truth. There's actually something inside of there.
I want it. We have to open this.
Oh man, there's something inside of there for real.
Now where's the key?
What'd you get? Alright, so there's something inside of this little thing here, and we have to open it with the key that came with the dinosaur.
Yes, that you guys locked.
Alright, so we got the key, and we gotta open whatever we found in the prehistoric poop. This is getting pretty interesting, I must say so myself. What was in there?
We got preserved centipede.
Oh.
I really want the gold treasure.
That's pretty cool though. It's an old centipede that was eaten by the dinosaur.
Yes. You think it was worth digging through prehistoric poop? A lot of slime.
It was pretty fun. Pretty interesting toy, man.
Yeah, Dad, do you think we should do another video after this one ends about Treasure X?
Probably so. We'll do some more Treasure X stuff coming up soon. What'd you guys rate this one? How many bubbles would you guys give this toy?
1,000.
1,000 bubbles?
You get a centipede? A centipede?
It's pretty cool. Alright guys, thanks for watching the Bubby Boys. See you next time. Bye. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos.